Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Easter egg. All the instructions I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna microwave 75% of dark chocolate at 900 watts power and temper. What is chocolate tempering? Is when we melt and cool the chocolate in order to crystallize the cocoa butter. And why do you need to crystallize the cocoa butter? To allow chocolate to dry completely and unmold easily. And what is the temperature of chocolate tempering? White chocolate, between 28 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. Milk chocolate, between 29 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Dark chocolate, between 31 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna place 25% of dark chocolate I set aside It reached the temperature. I'm gonna make the first layer. Remove excess. And leave to set for about 5 minutes. The chocolate is cool. I'm gonna microwave for 5 seconds at 900 watts power. And 5 more seconds. I'm gonna make the second layer. Remove excess. And leave to set for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna fridge for about 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna mold. Here we can see the chocolate is completely dry because its strong color has disappeared and the space between the mold and the chocolate has been created. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!